Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and in today's video I will be showing you how to clean your face the right way. Stay tuned. So to start, you want to make sure that you're using skincare products that matches your skin needs. That means if you have oily, dry, normal, combination, or sensitive skin, you will need to choose a product that is formulated for your skin to help your skin glow and look its best. Next, you're going to wet your face with lukewarm water and you're going to use your fingertips and rub the product into your skin. You want to make sure you get it real nice and good, and also don't forget your neck. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to scrub your skin. I know, like, you may go to the gym or get a really good workout. You want to scrub your skin. You don't want to do that because that leads to skin irritation. What you want to do is use your fingertips and massage it in your skin in circular motion. So generally you want to wash your face 2 to 3 times a day, in the morning and in the night for sure, and in between times depending on your job and if you had a really good workout or a good sweating going on. You want to clean all of that dirt and bacteria off your face. As mentioned earlier, you don't want to forget your neck. I feel like whatever you do to your face, you need to do to your neck as well, because to me, the neck is the first place people look at to kind of determine your age. Once we gave our skin a good massage with our cleanse, we're going to wash it off with lukewarm water. Get a towel and pat the skin dry. Once you pat the skin dry, you're going to grab your favorite moisturizer and put it on your skin. When adding moisture to my face, I always like to rub my chin upward, my cheeks outward, and across my forehead, because if you do this 20-30 years at your life, if you just keep dragging that moisturizer like down or rubbing your face down, the skin is going to eventually go down. That's just my mindset. Now lastly, I'm going to add some tea tree oil to my skin because I have like 2 bumps that always seem to appear every month, and I don't know why they're trying to make themselves comfortable, but I'm definitely finna knock them back where they came from. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget about them lips, y'all. Y'all don't want to be crusty. Peace.